Hello and welcome to another video from Natasha Lee, and this week is a very recently requested video that I wanted to produce for you. For a few weeks now I have mentioned that I've been using a homemade cuticle oil, and I've actually been doing that for quite a bit longer, but I hadn't put it into cuticle oil pens, so it wasn't very sort of nice for aesthetics putting it on the videos, so I carried on using some of my brand names for the videos. However, I have been doing this for quite a while. I didn't see a point in doing a video because Cristine came out with one and it was excellent. It covers everything you need to know really, and if you want to watch it, it's in the top right corner right now. However, if you want to watch me effectively doing almost exactly the same thing with just a few added extras, then stay tuned. Now, I've been a professional nail tech for almost 7 years now, which I suppose in some respects I'm still a newbie in the industry, but I have been an educator. I do a lot of research. I love A&P. I love knowing the science behind things. So I looked into the best cuticle oils to use on my clients, and I sort of swapped between two brands, but there were aspects of both of them that I didn't like. I still haven't quite perfected my own one at home because I'd kind of like to add biotin to it, which isn't so easy, and you kind of need to ingest it. But other than that, I've come up with a cuticle oil that I'm really happy with, and I've noticed a huge difference in my hands and nails. Even my husband has noticed a difference because he suffers really badly with dry skin, and I've been using it on him. I've really ramped up the percentage of the crucial ingredient, and that is what I think makes the difference. Now, although I've been doing this for quite a few months, because I basically just had it in a bottle at the side of my bed, it wasn't very aesthetically pleasing to have on camera, so I carried on using my brand names on camera. Then I finally got around to putting in some cuticle oil pens, and that's why it suddenly made an appearance. I'll try and link to all the products or an identical one, although in the UK I couldn't get the quality of the ingredients that I wanted or the organic jojoba oil, so I did have to go to the US to get those, but it was fine. Even with like the customs coming into the UK, I still am saving a fortune on what I was paying out for professional cuticle oils. Before I show you what to do, I want to introduce you to this week's Creator of the Week, and it is Kelly Marissa. I love her work, I love her hair, and I love her personality. She's absolutely great. If you enjoy nail art and gorgeous hair, then head on over to her channel. I've linked it down in the description down below, and give her a big thumbs up and subscribe and click that bell icon to get notifications so you never miss one of her videos. And now for your custom cuticle oil. I managed to find this fantastic jojoba oil that's 100% pure and it's certified organic, which made me really happy. It's quite hard to find, but now solutions do tend to do quite a lot of products like this. I also managed to source this 100% vitamin E oil, but you can use vitamin E gel or vitamin E oil. I just wanted it to be 100%. For a scented cuticle oil, choose your favourite essential oils. And then you're just going to need some empty bottles, and these are from those flight packs for flying abroad, along with a little glass jug. Other brands are available. Quite simply, we're going to pour the jojoba into the jug, and use tweezers, not your nails, to open this, please. Get every last drop into that jug, and it is 118 ml in this pot. And then I'm going to pour the vitamin E oil in. Now this takes a very long time. I'm just going to show you a very small bit of it so you get an idea. It's quite thick, it takes a long time to come out. You can see it's just a tiny little drizzle there coming out. So be prepared to be a little bit patient if it has a narrow neck on the bottle like mine does. Then I'm going to add in some drops of rose. Now be mindful with essential oils that they are like medications. So because I want to use this on my children, I'm doing it at a 1%. I've read online that it's best to apply 12 drops per 30 ml, so I dropped it down to 6 drops per 30 ml to make it a 1% solution. Give it a stir with a clean orange wood stick, and you can see at first it goes quite cloudy. Don't worry about that, just keep stirring it. As it mixes all together, it will go completely clear. You do have to do this for a little while, but it's not too long. And there you go, it's gone clear already. Once you're happy with it and it smells beautiful, we're just going to decant it into these bottles, and that makes it a little easier to store and deal with. I picked these bottles up online on Amazon, but you can get them in your local drugstore. I'm then going to use the leftover in another bottle, and I'm going to use this one to fill my cuticle oil pens. Now I've got an empty cuticle oil pen here, which I have used already and then washed out. So you just take out the nib and then fill it. I go just beyond that first ring around the neck because you don't want it to spill too much when you put the nib on. And also you don't want too much of an air bubble. Just pop the brush tip in and push it down firmly. and you'll see that there's this little air bubble there. We're going to need to twist the base of the pen to get rid of the air bubble, and the best way to do this is to have the pen upright so you're not actually pushing any of the oil through. Keep going until the oil comes through and it's ready to apply onto your hands, and it really does smell so good. It is that easy, you guys. Just be mindful to check out with essential oils which ones will work for you, because different essential oils can affect different people in different ways. I've been using this for a while now and I am loving it. It's made such a difference with my dry skin and cuticles. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I love having a play around with stuff like this. It's like so much fun. It's like school science lessons, but better because you can do beauty stuff at the end of it. A huge thank you to all my Natasha Lee VIPs, and if you enjoy my videos and you want to be a part of the channel, then head on over to natashalee.vip, where you can sign up for a series of rewards and tiers and behind the scenes access. If that's not for you, don't worry. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions about anything I've shown you today, then please just leave me a comment in the comment section down below. Please don't forget to give me a big like. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, then please click subscribe, and next to it is a teeny tiny little bell icon. If you click on that, you'll get notifications of whenever I upload. Thank you everyone, and I look forward to seeing you all very, very soon.